Hi there. This is the inaugural video of a new series that we're starting called In Good Health. And I'm hoping that this will be a way for us to connect as a community, to share tips and strategies and things that we're doing to support our own health and the health of our communities. I think this is especially important right now as we're in a pandemic and moving into the second wave of the pandemic. Today, I thought I would share a few of maybe the personal concerns I have that are giving me pause and how I'm approaching that, and also some tips that I have incorporated since the start of the pandemic. You're probably going to hear my dogs in the background. That's just the way it is. So let's start with things that are giving me pause. We're in the second wave of the pandemic, and we're heading into it, and it's the coldest and darkest months of the year. And for me, I don't like the cold. I don't really like the dark. So it is making me feel like I'm pulling into myself, not getting outside as much, feeling every day a little bit bummed out that it's 4:30 and it's dark outside. So that's in the back of my mind of how am I going to manage that personally and, with supports. But let me share with you a few things that I have been doing that I feel have really worked for me. One non-negotiable that I've been doing this since March is that 30 minutes a day, I commit to doing some sort of physical activity. It could be high intensity interval training, it could be weight training, or it could be restorative yoga, a leisurely walk, foam rolling, so it's a mix of kind of more higher intensity and restorative activity. But every single day, at least 30 minutes a day, I do something physical. The other thing I've just recently started is a gratitude journal, and kind of will share with you how that's going. And I've also recently started using an app that's supporting me in doing some breath work, and meant to, from the research I've done, help calm the autonomic nervous system, which I think is probably a good thing right now. The other thing I focus on is trying to get high quality sleep. So I try to avoid activities that are going to compromise my sleep. And then last, as much as I can, right now it's more virtual, but connecting with my community, family, friends, colleagues, those kinds of things. I think that is important and important to do outside of work activities. Now, this weekend, what I'm going to be doing is digging out all my winter gear. I had a friend from Sweden that said there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad clothes. So I'm going to have it at the ready, so there's no excuses for me not to get outside, go for a walk, get some winter sunshine. So those are a few things that I'm doing. I would love to hear what you're doing, even some of those things that are giving you pause or worry and how you might be approaching it. I feel that if I'm feeling this, there's probably others out there that are also feeling this and moving into the dark, cold months. And I'd love to know what you're doing. So drop a note and let's see where this new series of In Good Health can take us. Okay, be well. Take care.